group seal. As you know here, you've got your portafilter, and underneath the portafilter there's of course a shower screen and a group seal which keeps a nice fit with the portafilter. And over time, of course, that seal does in fact wear, so it needs to be replaced every few months. It's a pretty easy job. This is a group seal for the Gaggia Classic and the Gaggia Baby, also very similar for the Rancello. This one here is for an E61 for a variety of different coffee machines, espresso machines. This one here is for the Sunbeam EM series, and this one here is a Breville 900 and a 700 series. So my recommendation is regularly change your seals, don't slip up on your coffee maintenance, and produce great coffee people will love you for. It's a great social thing. Invite people over for a cup of coffee and then produce really good coffee. It's very it's very good when people actually say, mate, that's the best coffee I've ever had. And that's what they say here at the coffee bar, Steve's Coffee Bar. So check us out, have a look at the group seals, and don't slip up on your maintenance. Catch you next time. Bye.